Valentine's Day isn't always about happy couples. Sometimes it's about a dangerous temptation. Continuing our special Valentine series, today we're bringing to life a character with a deadly beauty from Fullmetal Alchemist, Lust, the ultimate spear, 3D resin printed. To give Mold Mayhem more motivation, please support us by hitting like, subscribe, and that notification bell. All the products I regularly use in my videos, color, airbrushes, brushes, and more, are linked in the description below. If you're interested, purchasing through those links helps fund the studio so we can keep creating more high-quality videos for you. Now let's get started. The first step is always clearing out the supports from the print. I'm stripping the plate and snapping off the supports, then cleaning up the surface with a power tool and some hand sanding. Getting this part right is crucial to making her curves look as smooth and perfect as possible before we move on to painting. Here's how Lust looks fully assembled and covered in a gray primer coat. To be honest, I completely forgot to hit record while I was airbrushing the primer. Just a little slip up on my part. Anyway, let's jump straight into pre-shading. I'm using black for all the clothing and accessories, but for the skin areas, I'm going with a white base to prep for a special effect coming up next. After applying the base skin tone over the white, I'm using a specialized technique for a realistic look. I'm applying 3 types of diluted water-based paints and dabbing them dry immediately. The order is yellow, red, blue. Layering these thin washes creates a sense of depth, mimicking the pigments and veins hidden beneath the surface. It gives the skin a translucent effect, making it look soft and alive rather than just hard plastic. Just touching up a few spots on the skin and we're done. Now it's time to focus on the soul of the model, her piercing eyes, bold red lips, and that seductive makeup. With just a few brush strokes, the vibe of a dangerous homunculus really starts to shine through. coming together quite nicely, isn't she? Now I'm going to wash the base, the dress, her claws, and even her hair in shades of crimson. Combining that mysterious black with deep red gives Lust a truly menacing and ruthless aura. To ramp up the drama, I'm mixing some red paint with glue to create realistic blood drips on her claws. These thick, viscous drops make the claws look like they just came out of a real battle, perfectly capturing her title as the ultimate spear. And now let's enjoy the finished masterpiece after hours of hard work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.